This is a big bonfire. Oh, ashes.
You gonna use a bucket? I want to temper it a little bit.
Well, you didn't mean this.
It was blowing so fierce at one point that it looked like you catch their pine. It blew horizontal.
Oh my god.
I was a little afraid first.
This is a big bonfire. It's good to keep warmth.
Got a little weird there for a minute.
Wow, this is huge. Oh God. Alright guys, this is a huge bonfire. Probably didn't get a good angle, but it's huge though. It was huge before. I bet you guys saw that. It's burning my eyes. Look at that, it's catching fire. Alright guys, see you guys. Bye.